Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 19th March 2024. In this video, let us generate a bullish and bearish trade setup for short-term income trade. That is the daily income trade and hourly income trade. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos I kept in a playlist supply demand zone price action course at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. Please click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. And first report is going to be bullish trade setup for daily income trade. In daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. That is our LTF time frame. And the entry zone should be demand zone because it is a bullish trade setup. In this parameter, bullish or bearish trade setup, I am selecting the entry time frame 15 minutes. There I am giving the value bullish. I am going to set 3 filters for filtering our stocks. The first filter is we don't want pierced zones because we never trade on the pierced zones. So I am setting pierced count should be 0 in 15 minutes time frame. Minimum value I am setting 0, maximum value I am setting 0, which indicates the zone's pierced count is 0. That means it is not a pierced zone. And the second filter I am going to set zone achievement. We will trade only the zones having achievement violated opposing zone, that is VOZ. And the minimum odd enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So I am setting the value 12. If these conditions are met by any zones, I am going to list only those zones. So currently 2 stocks are supporting these conditions, which are supporting bullish trade setup for short-term income trade. Especially this is for daily income trade. Now let us generate bearish trade setup exactly in the same way, but only thing is instead of entry zone, we are going to select a supply zone in 15 minutes time frame. Instead of selecting bullish or bearish, I am selecting bearish. That is the only. Remaining all are same. Violated opposing zone, your minimum odd enhancer score, and the pierced zone should not be there. For all the conditions same. Now let me generate the list. So now 12 stocks are filtered, which are supporting the bearish trade setup. Even Nifty 50 is also there. Bearish trade setup recommends short trade. Bullish trade setup recommends long trade. This is the points you should remember. So you should look into the supply zones. Okay, now let's go back and generate this time a bullish trade setup for hourly income trade, HIT trade. So I am going back. For hourly income trade, entry time frame should be 5 minutes. And the entry zone should be demand zone because this is a bullish trade setup. And zone achievement should be violated opposing zone. Minimum odd enhancer score is 12. But the pierced zone should be applied for 5 minutes time frame. Even here, bullish or bearish trade setup has to be set for 5 minutes, not 15 minutes. So here it could be any 5 minutes. I am selecting bullish, and next pierced count also I want to change. Pierced count earlier we set it to 15 minutes, but we don't want pierced count for 5 minutes time frame, because this is hourly income trade. 5 minutes is our entry time, that is LTF time. So I am setting minimum 0, maximum 0, which indicates the zone is not pierced. Now let us filter the stocks. First let us check this condition. Our entry time frame is 5 minutes. Let us look into the search strategy. Our entry zone is demand zone, and the zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, and odd enhancer should be greater than or equals to 12, and bullish or bearish trade setup 5 minutes it should be bullish, and the zone pierced count should be 0 between 5 minutes, 0 to 0. So all the conditions are met. So these are all the 5 minutes time frame. Our entry time frame is 5 minutes. So currently these 4 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. That is, entry time frame is 5 minutes. Intermediate time frame is 15 minutes. And higher time frame is 75 minutes. So this is about hourly income trade setup. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So I am going back. What changes we have to do? Entry time frame is 5 minutes as it is, but here entry zone should be supply zone. And one more change we have to do. In 5 minutes we have to select bearish trade setup. Remaining all are same. Violated opposing zone, min odd enhancer score. We already said 5 minutes pierced count should be 0. So now let's generate the report. So this is the list. So currently 18 stocks are filtered. All these stocks are supporting bearish trade setup. See, when I am shifting from one report to another report, you need to pause your video. I forgot to tell you in the beginning. Till I am supposed to tell this point. Okay, now what we do? The last thing we have to do, we need to generate stop losses, because you have to use 5% for 15 minutes entries and 3% of ATR for daily, 5 minutes zones. So let me give you that list. So I am generating the stop buffers with the help of ATR. So this is the complete list. So in this list, 5% ATR you have to use it for 15 minutes entry, 3% ATR you have to use it for 5 minutes entry. Let me scroll down the list. I'll be giving you only few seconds time. So if you want to study any of your stocks stop buffers, pause the video. After that you can proceed with the video. So this is the complete list of stop buffers. Hope this information is useful to you. If you are having any questions, please put them in the comment section. I will try to address. So let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.